Cam the man.
Good evening, team. Hope
What's
y'all
up,
had a
brother?
good weekend. What's up, man?
Have a good weekend?
Yeah, man. Had a good weekend. My pops got back from vacation, so got to spend it with him.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah,
Being with fam. That's what it's all about.
yeah, man. Hope yours was good too, my brother.
Yeah, definitely. A little rainy, but we went to Monster Jam, saw some trucks, saw some cars.
Oh,
Yeah,
man, do it. Surfing monster trucks, man. You do everything, I mean.
man. Got some big waves over here too, bro.
Man, that's what's up, brother. That's what's up. I'm gonna
Right
give
on.
people at least one more minute to hop in. We can hop into this.
Absolutely. Just wanted to say hello and hope you had a good one, brother.
Appreciate you, my brother. Likewise.
All right, man.
All right. 10:02, I'll start team. Ready for the short week. Spy. We're gonna talk about Spy first and cues, and then we get the ball rolling on tickers. All right. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. We're gonna start this watch list off. So Spy, I'm bullish going into the week. Um, Let me I want to show you what level. I'm sorry, not going into the whole week. I'm like going in. I think Spy's gonna pump like the first, maybe the first hour, depending where we open tomorrow. But I do expect us to hit at least 401 and then come down because I did see Bitcoin over the weekend break 2100. So we could put it up now. See where Bitcoin's at. So look, it's holding 2100 nicely. So if Bitcoin holds up, I think we're good. That's my personal opinion. I think we open up with them calls, them 400 calls we're swinging at the moment. Hopefully we could open up in the money. So if we open up in the money, of course we should just take profits. If you got multiples, just leave one to see what happens for the rest of the day. But I expect us to at least go open at 400 and at least reject around 401, 401.30. I have a rejection area. This is my rejection zone around here. And I have another rejection area here. So similar should go for the Qs. Price level is gonna be rejection around, let me see. I say at around 282 is going to be an important area, 282, 282.20 around there. And if we break this volume profile line, then we got to watch 283. I'll say 283.20 as well. So those two zones I'm watching for rejection. If we keep rallying, then we'll switch hats. But I do expect a small pullback tomorrow. We've been going green for already 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow, if we're green again, it will be 5 consecutive days. So you got to keep that in mind. You don't want to be full throttle bull and you get rug pulled on you. So tomorrow could be a sideways trading day, but I expect a small pullback. But I don't expect a full red daily candle. Might get a doji, might be a green doji. Let's see what happens on both sides, SPY and Qs. So names that I want to talk about. I got a mix of names. I got some financials, some health, some tech, a little bit of everything. All right, so let's go with health, right? So health began clever. So I think this week health finally recovers a little bit. So I would put CVS on watch this week. So UNH, right? They had ER. It wasn't that bad. It was actually decent. They beat and everything. So um that might be a hint that health might push this week. I like CVS here. We got a nice support build on this channel. Is obviously price action likes to fluctuate here to the upside. So CVS around 87.70 likes to bounce. So we got a nice green candle on support zone. I drew this trend line here is bouncing. So it's almost like a double bottom if you always want to take it with a higher low, because this is a lower low over here. This was higher low. So I have an alert to watch them above 90.57, and I have also set a target for you guys of 91.20. And if it goes past 91.20, we could definitely touch my green rectangle, which is 92.5 around there. So CVS, we got the double bottom as well here. Look, RSI, just kissing, clearing the oversold area. It's clearly rejecting off the oversold area bounce, so that's good. We got a MACD. Sorry, we got the MACD starting to curl. We might be in a little early, but it's still strong. The MACD. If it starts to curl here, this is strong. So we should start going up. This tint change is positive too. That's a positive sign on our end. So CVS is one, health one. We could watch to the upside tomorrow. The other health one that I like is Abbott. Abbott got a big strong candle on Friday. If I wish it was a little bit bigger down here, overlapping this red one, so it could be a bullish engulfing, but it's still a good strong candle. It basically took up price action of at least 4 candles. So this is a good sign on Abbott that it might start pushing to higher highs. So we got the RSI already bouncing as well. So this is another positive thing. We got a nice uptrend here on the RSI. So that's another plus. We got the MACD is in our favor. Yes, it is in our favor. It looks like it also like pull a bull flag up. We got the tint change as well, darker and increased a little bit. So that is a bull sign. So I got 114.16 on watch. The first target I got is 114.80, and I suggest we trim there. And then after that, you could get at least to 115.5, because the candle could fill in the price action of the wick zone over here on this red candle. So um I think I got one more. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. One more health. Oh no, two more actually. Abby's another one. Abby looks good. Abby perfect bounce off. Hold on. Resistance turn support, and this is my 200, so it's respecting it in some length. So this is the resistance that I was talking about over here where Abby was rejecting. And look, it's bouncing here, and it also bounced here. So this is a good sign that it's starting to reverse. Abby already sold off 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 days. Friday, we got a green candle, but it wasn't a strong move to the upside. So we might be ready to get on the move tomorrow on to catch a stronger move. Because Friday, the move to the upside wasn't really that strong. So we could get a stronger move on tomorrow, definitely. We already have confirmation on the RSI with that bounce move. Oops, sorry about that. Only thing we have to be wary of is this. It is increasing, it's still red. So basically what I'm saying is be patient on this. We have to be either, I got one level on breaking this 150, 155.95, but there's also a bounce. I just didn't put it on the alert, but I'm gonna show you the bounce that you could possibly get into as well. 1 second, guys. Okay. If we open up higher, then forget the bounce. But if Abby wants to pull back before it really completes a reversal to the upside, look out for the bounce around 152.30 or 152.20, I'll say. Or you could go even as low as 152. I just wanted to have a higher low bounce. I don't want it to make a low bounce, because then you start leaning to the bearish side. So that's why I'm hoping to stay above here. But I'm initially gonna wait until we get at least to 155.95. Even 155.60, you can start watching it. So I'll yeah, you can even watch 155.60. But let's see what happens around this price level. So Abby is on definite watch. We got one more. This one won the lawsuit against Apple. This one looks good on the daily. Yeah. You see, this is a good like bullish engulfing. You see it overlap the red candle here. Oh, very strong. So tomorrow I have an alert set on MASI with the RSI as well. Beautiful double bottom here, guys. So just want to make sure everybody's right there. MACD looks strong as well. Let me see how it's looking up here. Still pushing momentum to the upside. So I have alert on 158.15 with a target of 161, with actually potential to go even to, is there higher? I think there's a higher. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Let me just map this out real quick. Yeah, this right here might be a little tough zone too. All right. So it could possibly hit 162 as well, but I'll start trimming once we hit 161 from 158 on 15 if we crack that level. So those are the health ones for now. As we know, Apple and SPY like to dance together, so the daily looks, I'm not gonna lie, guys, the daily looks very strong on Apple. This is a strong candle on Friday. My opinion, 135.85 sends it to 130, possibly 137 on my chart. Everything looks good to the upside. RSI cracked resistant here. So where's the next level? Really? Next strong resistance is over here, this level, guys. So keep that in mind. MACD cascading to the upside still. So the Qs might move stronger than Spider-Man. So no Nami likes that. So
Hey, we all do, bruh. Such fluid
yeah,
contracts.
yeah. So I
What's
definitely
going
think
on,
we
Bill?
could go good, my brother. I definitely think we could go to 137 if it cracks at least 135.85. So I like Apple too. I like Microsoft has a nice little setup. Even though we got so many green candles, I still believe it could still go up higher because of this. The bulls just came in strong on the MACD, so we could possibly get a strong move at least to, where's my value profile line? Wait, my alert says 240.70 watch, upside at least to 242.20. So basically what my alert says. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, everything looks good. RSI still looks strong. What else? I think wait, I'm going through some text with chat. I think there's one or two more. Oh yes. I also like this one. This is actually one of my favorites right here. Pan W. Been trading in a very tight channel. Feel like it's ready to make its move. RSI looks very strong. MACD also correlates with the RSI to the up for bullish move to the upside. We got a level of 139.89 to watch. And I have my first target around 140, 130. But this, you could probably put like a month and a half out expiration. And to be honest, you could probably just go for the 150 calls because it's been getting beat down a lot already. And I think it's time it starts recovering. And 150 is a solid zone where there's really no rejection as well. So you pick your poison on that one. But I really like Pan W. I don't
Yo,
know.
go.
Go.
Sorry to interrupt, broski. All of cyber is fire setups, just
Yeah,
like you're showing. Pan W, Zscaler,
and
40net, CrowdStrike.
mhm. Definitely. Y'all heard Steve. Uh AMD I also like as well. I we just have to wait until it clears. Let me see something. Hold on. 7170 looks good. Let me see 7170 on the chart too. I'll say 7185. We have to wait until 7185 to see if AMD wants to keep pushing. Now, remember, Nvidia had a great day on Friday, so it could be a snitch move for the other chips to move as well. So, AMD still has potential to still recover a lot. I think I got this rectangle. Let me see where. There we go. Just extend it a little. There we go. So yeah, 72 might be a chance for AMD. So you go watch other chips like Nvidia, um, um, INTC, MU, etc. Let me see. I think that's enough for tech. Oh no, I got one more. Amber looks strong, very strong. Look at this bullish engulfing on the daily. I have a level of, oh, I gotta edit that, make sure that gets sent to the channel. 8790. Just definitely send it at least to almost hitting 89. It's a weak resistance, so it could definitely break it and go more, but Amba looks ready to go. We got the RSI. Sorry, excuse me. We got the RSI already showing strength that is still in a bullish trend because it bounced away from the yellow line. So that's good. When you see that on the RSI, that's very positive. So it bounced away from the yellow line, didn't even try to kiss it. So we got that on our end. Well, let me move this, guys. It's an annoying thing. We got the MAC as well, compliance increase, green, crossed already to the upside. So Amberella could be a good move tomorrow. So I definitely got an alert there for you guys. The next one that I like is McDonald's. McDonald looks ready. I just love this double bottom here, this little bullish double bottom that we got on the daily. Again, bounce away from the yellow line. MACD, Same thing, strong, cascading up to dark tint. If it goes to the positive sign, it's good. Even better for us. And look, it's resistance on this gap up day. This was resistance. And it's turned it into support that last couple, what, it's 2.5 weeks or so. Look, it started turning bounce, and then it went down. But now bounce, this candle bounce and the Friday candle bounce. So this is for sure where McDonald likes to bounce or drop. But obviously I'm bullish. So I got 270.81, target 273.80 possibility. All right. So we're gonna watch McDonald's. We already in Wendy's, so that goes. Maybe that's why the McDonald's setup is looking good. We got 23 calls on Wendy's. So what else we got? That's it for tech, yeah. Remember, Banks was going crazy on Friday. I'm disappointed we didn't even play not one of them, but it's all right. The daily looks ridiculous, guys. I didn't even put an alert because I just had to see what it does.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. So JPM has this, Wells Fargo's I think has it too. Yes. BAC.
Fucking boner candles, bro.
What
Yeah,
the hell, bro?
yeah. It's
Fucking
looking
rocket
crazy.
ship candles.
It's looking crazy for these banks. That's why I didn't even put an alert. We're just gonna have to watch them. Remember, Bitcoin is. I think this has to correlate with Bitcoin too. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like this,
Banks?
because think about it, Mata, Riot, all of them.
Yeah, they all the miners ripped. All the
Yes,
mining companies.
yeah. So it's like anything that has to do with currency or money. I feel like
For sure, man.
pushed
Great
it because
fucking
I'm like,
thinking.
what the hell? Like, and I seen
So
this.
then, go
Go
ahead,
ahead, bro.
go ahead.
Mhm.
I was gonna ask, so then what does Square and PayPal look like? But go ahead, man. My bad. I didn't mean to
Yeah,
interrupt
no,
you.
no, it's all right. Square doesn't look that strong. I'm be honest, looks strong
Sure.
to me. Looks like an evening star.
Okay, that's to me too.
PayPal.
PayPal
PayPal
looks
looks
better.
stronger. Yep, PayPal looks better. But yeah, these banks is it's gonna be something to watch. We got a lot of let me see.
City looks fire.
City. What's another bank that I didn't call out? Let me see what
BC, Wells
Visa.
Fargo, Visa.
Visa, I don't know why JPM, BAC, and Wells Fargo look crazy. Let me see Master. Yeah, I don't know. These credit card related ones look fishy.
MS and GS too?
Let me see. MS should be a strong one. Yeah, you see MS is
Damn,
good.
I didn't see MS
MS
yet.
should be good. GS should be a strong one too. Yeah, you see GS is good.
Shit.
But then I
The
feel like
credit
they're
cards
gonna
look
pump
weak,
one more
man.
time and come back down.
Yeah, there's definitely a continuation that I look forward to after that type of candle on Friday. So bullish engulfing.
Yes,
With
sir.
hella volume. Bro. Great eye. Thank you for that.
Of course, bro. Um, I think I got like 3 names left, bro. Yeah, we got DE. DE looks good to me. I love how this channel right here is the area of confluence where it likes to buyers, big money likes to come in, bounce so many times here. So we got this strong candle on Friday. Nice little pullback to the upside on the RSI, like a flag move. We got the MAC just showing bulls, and they weren't even coming in strong, and it's dark. So, and it just crossed. So I have a level of 440, 83, target of 442.15. It could possibly go higher though. It could even go to 445. And then from there out more too. Cat does not really look as strong as D because they kind of go similar. Cat The only reason I said that is because it's already entering the overbought zone. And it could come down either here or right here real quick. So that's why I like DE better. But cat could keep going. It could disregard my technical analysis. Keep going. Cause the Mac, I'll be honest, the Mac looks very strong on cat. That's that I could say. The double bottom and it's going straight to the moon right here, it looks like. So we got I like Clorox too. Nice daily pattern here. Beautiful. Strength on the RSI already created this little double bottom crossed over here. We got the Mac just showing strength with the bulls. Nice little triple bottom too right here on the Mac. So we gonna watch Clorox 149.90 to the upside. I didn't put a target, I just forgot. Let me see. Just say it here. So 140, I'm sorry, 140, 146.90, not 149, 146.90. Could definitely send it to 147.5. So that'll be my first target, 147.5. And I like this one as well. Live Nation, bullish engulfing, RSI already showing bullish diversion at least. Yeah, once we get to, yeah, I'll say like around 62.35, it needs to go, and it should keep going at least to 64. So I like the RSI. I also like the Mac, and we on the positive side, and it's cascaded higher. So everything lines up to the bull side, and this is obviously an area of confluence where buyers like to come in. That it obviously, and it respected the 9 and 50. So right here, this is where it bounces a lot. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. It rejected here, but it bounced here 5, 6. And I feel like it's gonna make the move higher at least. It could possibly visit, not maybe within the week. It could possibly go to 75, depending on the move we get tomorrow. But I expect it to at least hit 75 within the week. I don't see why not. This is like a good resistance zone. We got these red candles here. So that's why I'm saying that. Okay. L looks good. Lows. This is another bullish engulfing here. Respecting the 9. Riding the 9 beautiful actually on the daily team. This orange line is my 9, is riding it perfect. So that's good. This is showing bullish. It bounced away. It didn't even cross. So that's good. This is also good because the bulls are in still. We got the dark tint on our favor. So that's already bull flag kind of up. So I like lows above 60, 61 to the upside. That has potential to go to at least 61.15. Yeah, that's where I got the Y line for. Yeah, 61.15. If Lowe's goes, I guess HD finally gets out of the channel it's been trading. HD's been trading in this ridiculous channel that needs to break. So we can start visiting 345. So if Lowe's goes, you guys could definitely go to HD. And I'm just seeing HD chart right now live with you guys. HD looks good too. HD don't look bad. I'll say HD above 334.20. She goes. I'll put an alert. Hold on. I'll adjust it, but I'll put it here. Could definitely go. Yeah. Let me go through my list to make sure I went through everything too. Today was a little quicker because I had everything preset. Amber, Clorox, Lowe's, Microsoft, Apple, McDonald's, AMD. Oh, I forgot to mention, so Wells Fargo's, I have a bounce around 43.90 or 44 if we get in on the bounce on these ridiculous candles. I forgot to say that, and that's it. Yeah, that's it, team. Let me see if there's any questions. I'll look at charts if anybody wants me to look at a chart. Yeah, credit cards look weak.
Yeah, I don't think there are any questions.
All right, man. I'm ready to kill it tomorrow. I'll be in Zoom for like the first hour or two. And then Wednesday I'm on all day. And same thing for Thursday and Friday.
Awesome. Awesome. Right on, man. Have a great night. Thanks for doing this, man. As always, appreciate it.
Let's get this shit.
Yeah, let's get it. What's up, Climate? Have a blessed
What's
night.
up, man?
All right, guys. See you in the morning.
Yep, bright and early.